channel, okay, a moment. If you're new to this channel, just subscribe to the channel. Okay, so here I'm back with a new tutorial, and this is kind of my favorite because I wanted to try cat eyes since a very long time. So here I am with that look. So now let's get started with the video and let's see how I created that look.
Okay you guys, so let's get started by applying the Maybelline primer. Okay, so now I'm going to use an orange corrector to hide my dark circles. So now coming for a foundation, that's the Fit Me foundation in the shade 320. Okay, so after the foundation, coming for a concealer, that's the age brightening concealer in the shade caramel. Okay, so now coming for the loose powder, I'm going to use the Maybelline loose powder, that's 25 Moyen. Okay, so now coming for our eyeshadow, I want to keep it a very subtle and a natural look. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Revolution eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use a nude brown color. Okay, so now coming for the main part, our eyeliner. So I'm going to use the Lakme eyeliner for our cat eyes. So now coming for a lips part, to get a perfect fit lips, I'm gonna use a lip liner to line my lips first and then fill it with my lipstick. So I'm gonna use the Kiko Milano lip liner, that's in the shade 531, and then I'm gonna use the Maybelline Matte Me lipstick, that's in the shade 20 Pioneer. Okay, so if you have that 20 Pioneer lipstick, just go and open it. It just smells like raspberries and I'm like, damn, that is a heaven. Like, that smell is so amazing. Like, oh. So now coming for a mascara part, I'm going to use the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara, that's a waterproof one. So coming for a blush part, I'm going to use a red Maybelline lipstick to apply it as my blush. It can be any red lipstick that you want.
Look, okay, so I love this. I do. So yes, if you love this look, then don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Bye.